Hi there, it's Joseph of Joseph Forex Tribe and welcome again for another video training. And today is our day 12. So for today's lesson and gagawin natin for today is quality contents. Alright, so what does it mean? So kuha lang tayo ng mga content na mostly quality yan, no? We use again the ChatGPT to generate some contents for our daily posting. So before, diba, yesterday we created our profile with our Facebook with na-optimize na natin siya. So ngayon, kung wala pa siyang contents, so lalagyan natin siya ng laman. So ano yung mga ipopost natin doon? So basically, dahil nasa niche nga tayo ng Forex, so ang gawin natin is we give value first. Alright, so para natin gagawin niya. So let's jump into our ChatGPT. Alright, so ito yung aking ginawa ng a while ago. Alright, so ito yung prompt na ginawa ko. Act as a expert copywriter, make a 7 days compelling Facebook post. Topic, basic forex trading for beginners. So nag-generate siya. So hindi ako satisfied with the result. So ang ginawa ko, make it a valuable content. So nag-add pa ako ng another prompt. Alright, so ito na yung lumabas. Day 1. What is Forex and why you have been doing it without knowing it? So Forex means foreign exchange, simply the act of exchanging one currency to another. So this one, guys, is for me as a Forex beginner, no? Pwede mo tong kunin para maging posting mo, no? So I guess hanggang dito lang kunin mo kasi wala pa nga tayong guidelines para makapagbigay sa kanila. So wala pa tayong, wag mo tayong magbigay ng call to action. So kahit hanggang dito lang, no? Tapos mag-generate ka na lang ng images, like kuha ka sa Google, like, or you can create a photo post, no, na about Forex, no. So you can search on that na lang. Okay, so pwede yan. So good sa akin to. So day 1, actually hindi lang to 7 days, but every day, no, dapat meron ka. Pero for this example, I'm using one post a day lang. Pero I suggest you should post at least 3 times a day, lalo na kung yung Facebook account mo is bago lang, kasi para mas makita ng prospect mo na you're engaged with the Forex industry. Alright, so day 2, ayun lang siya. Okay. So ito kasi actually pwede natin itong ilagay yung ibang suggested ni ChatGPT, no. So siya may ano siya, no, meron siyang mga call to action. So pwede naman siya mismo mag-generate yan for us, no. Ayan, day 3, day 4. So ayan lang naman siya. So let's try natin yung ano ba sinabi niya dito. So ito, try natin to. For example, ito sinama natin yung sa call to action. So it's up to you naman, no. Kasi normally pag nagganyan ka is, 'di ba, manghihingi sila kung ano yung sa call to action mo, 'di ba? So I've created a simple roadmap for total beginners. First 5 steps to learn Forex without getting overwhelmed. Pwede natin copyin yan, tapos show details. Try natin kung ano yung output ni ChatGPT dyan. Yeah, pwede to. Kapag yung ginawa mo yan, so paste mo lang yon, then lagay mo yung show details, then ito yan, no. Pwede mo itong gawin into PDF format, no. At least you give pa rin naman ng value. Ayun, tama, 'di ba? Gawin PDF. So copy copy paste mo lang yan, then convert it into a PDF file. Alright, so ganyan lang. So this only for 7 days, so you can create na naman, pwede mo i-comment si ChatGPT na add more 7 days, ganyan. And as you go along naman, matututunan mo din naman yan. Alright, so that's it for today. And for our resibo na napanood mo tong video na to, i-comment mo lang dun sa ating group. Again, i-comment mo lang yung quality contents. Alright, congratulations guys, and see you again tomorrow for another video trading. Thank you, bye bye, and God bless.